The American moose, Alces, is a fascinating and impressive animal that belongs to the deer family Cervidae. It is the largest and heaviest deer species, and one of the tallest mammals in North America. In this video, I will describe some of the main features, adaptations, and behaviors of the American moose. The American moose has a distinctive appearance that makes it easy to recognize. It has a long face, a flexible upper lip and nose, large ears, and a pendulous flap of skin called a bell hanging from the throat. Its fur is dark brown or black, with longer outer hair that may have a different color. Its fur is also hollow and insulating, which helps it survive in cold climates. The most striking feature of the American moose is its antlers, which are wide, flat, and can spread up to 6 feet from end to end. Only male moose, called bulls, have antlers, which they use for fighting and display during the mating season. Female moose, called cows, do not have antlers. The American moose lives in boreal and temperate forests of North America, mainly in Alaska, Canada, and some northern states of the U.S. It prefers habitats with streams, ponds, lakes, and marshes, where it can find food and water. The American moose is an herbivore, which means it eats plants. It feeds mainly on leaves, stems, twigs, and bark of shrubs and trees, especially willows, birches, aspens, and maples. It can also eat aquatic plants, such as water lilies and pondweed. A full-grown moose can eat up to 70 pounds of food a day. The American moose is mostly active during dawn and dusk, when it is cooler and less likely to encounter predators or humans. It is a solitary animal, except during the mating season in the fall, when bulls compete for cows by clashing their antlers and making loud grunts. Cows usually give birth to 1 or 2 calves in the spring, after a gestation period of about 8 months. The calves are born with reddish-brown fur and white spots that fade away as they grow older. They stay with their mother for about a year, until she is ready to mate again. The American moose has few natural predators, due to its large size and strength. However, bears, wolves, cougars, and coyotes may prey on calves or weak adults. The biggest threat to the American moose is human activity, such as hunting, habitat loss, road collisions, and climate change. Climate change may affect the availability and quality of food and water for the moose, as well as increase the risk of diseases and parasites. The American moose is an amazing animal that has adapted well to its environment. It has unique physical characteristics that help it survive and reproduce in cold climates. It has a varied diet that includes both terrestrial and aquatic plants. It has a solitary lifestyle that changes during the breeding season. It faces some challenges from natural predators and human impacts. The American moose is an important part of the ecosystem and deserves our respect and protection.